Hello guys, this is Nikunj Jindal at Dear Projects Master NJ. Guys, from here I am starting a new series. In this series, I will tell about Arduino, what Arduino is, its interfacing, its programming in English. So, guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, see the hardware of Arduino. Guys, you will find this Arduino online and I will give their shopping links in video description. There are many types of Arduino available in the market, such as Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega, Arduino Mini and many other types. Guys, I will tell about 3 types of Arduino hardware in this video, which are Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega or Arduino Nano. Guys, if you want to take Arduino, you can take it. So let's first look at the hardware of Arduino Uno. Guys, this is the basic hardware structure of an Arduino Uno. The main part of it is its microcontroller at Mega 328. Then there are 14 digital pins. On these pins we connect the output components such as LCD, relay module, motor driver. And then it comes in 6 analog pins. On these pins we connect the input components, meaning sensors, such as IR sensor, gesture sensor. Then next there are power pins. From here we can take and give power voltage. There are 3 ground pins and a 5 volt and a 3.3 volt power pin. Guys, the entire Arduino works only at 5 volt. Then here is a power jack where we have to connect a 9 volt battery. Now this is a USB port. Here we upload the code through laptop by putting a USB in it. Then here is a reset button. By pressing this button, the complete code starts again. Then there are 12 pins and we can also take power from them, but they will work only when we connect Arduino to USB. Now let's move on to Arduino Mega. This is an Arduino Mega. There are 54 digital pins. They also do the same thing as in Arduino Uno. The most main part of this is its microcontroller at Mega 2560. And then it has 16 analog pins. They also do the same thing as in Arduino Uno. Then it consists of 10 transmitter and receiver pins. On these pins we connect the communication devices, such as Bluetooth module, GSM module. It also has a power jack, a USB port and a reset button. It has 5 ground pins and only a 5 volt pin. Let us now look at the Arduino Nano. This is the basic hardware structure of an Arduino Nano. Guys, its microcontroller is named at Mega 328P and it consists of 14 digital pins in total and 8 analog pins. There is no reset button or power jack. We can only give current in it with a pin called V-in. Or you can provide it via USB port. Guys, didn't have much of it. According to me, the best Arduino is the Arduino Uno because it is not too big nor too small. And its price is also not that much. So let's move on to Arduino software. With the use of this software, we can upload code in Arduino. Guys, all Arduino have the same code. There is no change in it. So guys, to download it, you have to write Arduino download in your search engine. Then, click on the first link. I will give this link to you in the description of the video. Guys, by clicking on this link, a window will open of this type. Here you have to scroll down. Then here you have to select your operating system. Guys, I would like to tell you that Arduino's software is absolutely free. Then here you have to click on just download. Then your software will start downloading. After downloading, when you open it, this type of screen will open. Here you can see that here is void setup. Put your setup code here to run once. Void loop. Put your main code here to run repeatedly. Guys, I will tell you the meaning of all this in my next videos. So guys, let's look at its tabs. So here the first is File. Here is Open, New, Save. The most main option here is Examples. Guys, examples are pre-written codes that come free with Arduino's software. With their help, we can write our own code. Then next tab comes Edit. Guys, it have the cut, copy, paste in it. Then next tab comes Sketch tab. Guys, the first option comes in as Verify. Guys, if there is any mistake in our code, then the software automatically informs us about that mistake in that code. As you see here, I have typed anything. So if I compile it, see, it automatically shows an error in it. Then the next option is Upload. By clicking on it, our code gets uploaded in Arduino. Then next option comes Include Library. It is the most main option of this entire software. Guys, library is used when we connect a special component to the Arduino. Like LCD's library is liquid crystal and keypad modules library is keypad. So guys, Arduino software gives us some inbuilt libraries like bridge, EEPROM. So when I click on these, so see here it is written include library name.h. Guys, if we want to download another library, so we just have to click on manage libraries. Then you have to type the name of the library. Like I type here keypad. Then here you can see that the library has come here. Then clicking on install here will start installing. Then the next tab is tools. Guys, the main options here are serial monitor and plotter. Guys, I will explain them in my next videos. Then the next option comes board. Here we have to select our board. In which board we are uploading the code. If you are using Arduino Uno, then you have to select Arduino Uno, and if you are using any other board, then select it. Then next option comes port. These option is not available right now because I have not yet connected my Arduino to laptop. Now see if I connect my Arduino to my laptop. So it becomes available. If it is not available, it means that your Arduino or cable is defective. Now this is enough for this video. I hope that all of you have understood everything about Arduino basics. If you want to ask any question, then you can ask in the comment box. I will definitely reply to them. I will tell you about the programming of Arduino in my next video, and we will write our first code in it. So wait for that video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share the video. See you in the next video. Thanks.